Hi, first of all, very good evening. How are you doing?
I am doing great. So now would you like to introduce you first?
Well, my name is Sanjay Bisht and I come from Uttarakhand. And it's been for 2 years I'm working as an analyst. And if
Okay.
I talk about my hobbies are listening to music, watching movies, and traveling as well. So, what's your name and could you introduce yourself?
Yeah, it is my turn to introduce myself. So my name is Lavit. I am from Uttarakhand. I am 11 year old. I study in 6th class. And if we talk about my hobby is to playing cricket and learning English. There are 7 members in my family. So that was my introduction.
Okay, so you're saying you are from Uttarakhand. I also come from Uttarakhand. So, where are you living in Uttarakhand?
Yeah, I am living Uttarakhand in a village.
Okay, what's your village name?
My village name is Mulewala village.
What?
Mulewala.
Mulewala.
Yeah.
Oh my God! First time, listening to this name. I'm listening to this name.
So what is your village name?
I'm not living in a village. I'm living in Khatima. Do you know what Khatima?
No.
Okay, you don't know. Do you know the Chief Minister of Uttarakhand?
Yeah.
Okay, what's his name?
Pushkar Singh Dhami.
So he's also from Uttarakhand, Khatima, and you don't know about Khatima.
Did you ever see him?
What I have?
Did you ever see him?
Yes, I met with him as well.
Okay.
Yes.
So,
Okay, so how did you learn this language?
I have learned this language by mobile because my father brought me a mobile and I was learning this language at my home because I didn't join any institute. I learned
Oh,
this
that
language by myself.
that's great. And within how many days did you learn this language?
I have learned this language within 1 year.
Within 3 years.
No, 1 year.
Okay, within 1 year. So I apologize for that. And I can see you are speaking very fluently and confidently as well.
Okay.
Yes. So do you want to ask any question to me?
Okay. So, are you traveling?
Yes, I'm traveling and I'm in my office. You can see. And earlier
Okay.
you were calling me, right? I was just sitting inside my cab. You are calling me again and again. I was thinking, yeah, this boy is having very high confidence, and he wants to talk to me, right?
Yeah.
You can see
I
the
saw
beautiful.
I saw your account on Skype. Yeah. Because have you joined in English with Jaddu group?
Uh, yes, yeah, I joined with so many Skype group, okay, and I'm having a YouTube channel as well, and my channel name is The Global Voice by Sanjay, right? I do English conversation, and same thing I upload on YouTube as well.
Okay. I searched your
Yeah,
channel and I have also subscribed your channel.
yes, I will also subscribe your channel as well because you're also a YouTuber, okay.
Okay.
Okay,
So
and
now
what? Yes,
what
tell
were
me.
you
Yes,
tell?
keep on asking.
Okay. So I was asking that how many groups do you have for conversation?
Okay, how many conversation I have posted, right?
No. How many groups of conversation do you have on Skype app?
Okay, I have joined a few groups. As well as I'm a YouTuber, you know very well. Okay, whenever I upload videos on YouTube, okay, people do comment on my videos. Then I
Okay.
talk to them as well.
Okay.
Yes.
So see, for how long have you opened your channel?
It's been for 5 to 6 months. I have been working on YouTube.
Okay. So
Yeah.
we can also see you YouTuber.
Yeah. Thank you so much. So you're also about to be a YouTuber. And how long
Yeah.
have you been working on YouTube? What? You too. You tell me.
I couldn't understand. Can you speak?
Okay. I was asking, how long have you been working on YouTube?
Okay. I have been working on YouTube for 2 weeks.
Okay. And how many subscribers are you having?
25.
25. That's great.
Yeah. So
Yes.
now, are you living with your family?
No, I'm not. I'm not living with my family. I'm living alone in Gurugram, Haryana.
Okay. So
Yes.
now, mm, I saw in your first video that you were traveling with your friends.
I was traveling with my.
Friends.
Uh, okay, okay. When you had called me.
Yeah, yeah. So were you traveling with your friends?
Yes, I was traveling with my friends. You can see I'm in my office. Okay. Yeah, you can see.
Okay, okay. So
You like
now,
and do you want to work here?
yes, yes.
Okay.
I will come here one day.
Yeah, definitely. You are speaking very well English. You'll get job here, right? You will be working here as well. You can see the premises. You can see the building. Yeah, people
There
are just.
are there is a very huge building here.
Yeah, we are having very huge buildings, and we are having like McDonald's. We are having so many things. People are just
Okay,
sitting
okay.
here and there. We are having so many good trees as well, like
Okay.
Uttarakhand.
Is this place also in Uttarakhand?
No, I'm saying, in Uttarakhand, we are having so many beautiful trees, right? So I was
Okay, okay.
saying, here also we are having good trees. We are having greenery. I'm saying,
Okay, okay.
yeah.
Mm,
So now I think we should wrap up this conversation, right? Because I have to work as well. I'm having work.
okay, okay. So now
Okay.
thank you for the session with me.
Yeah. Thank you so much for joining this session. It was a great conversation with you. I hope we will
Thank
talk again. And bye for now. Okay.
thank you.
Bye bye.